Hello, I am Aakif Shaikh. Today we are going to see ethical and social implication of AI. So AI is artificial intelligence is the capability of computational system to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence such as learning, reasoning, problem solving and the perception and decision making. Computation. What is a computation? Computation is any type of arithmetic and non-arithmetic calculation that is well defined. Common example of computation are mathematically equation solving and execution of a computer algorithm. Human intelligence is the intellectual capability of human which is marked by complex cognitive feats and high level of motivation and self-awareness. Using their intelligence, humans are able to learn from concept, understand and the apply logic and reason. Problem solving, the process of achieve the goal by overcoming obstacle and the frequent part of most activities. Problem in need of solution range for simple personal tasks. Example: how to run on a appliance. To complex issue is in business and technical field. There are two types of problem solving: is simple problem solving and complex problem solving. The addressing one issue, simple is addressing one issue and complex is addressing the multiple issue and solve the multiple problem at a time. So ethical implication of the artificial intelligence, it is essence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processed by machine, particularly computer system. The ethical implication of artificial intelligence pertain to the ethical challenges, dilemmas and the consequence that arise from the deployment and application of AI technologies. This encompasses ethical consideration regarding that the use of AI in decision making, potential biases within AI system, accountability for machine generated outcomes and the overall impact of AI on individual and society. So ethical dilemma, what is ethical dilemma? An ethical dilemma, also called ethical paradox or moral dilemma, happens when a person or even an AI system faces two or more choices that are morally important, but choosing one means violating that other. In such situation, there is no clear right answer. Every option creates some kind of ethical cost. In artificial intelligence, ethical dilemma are very common because AI system often deal with human life, privacy and fairness. For example, self-driving car. An autonomous vehicle might have decided whether the severe or the harm one person or take one course and the harm several passenger. Both choices are morally problematic. AI in healthcare, an AI system may need to prioritize which patients and the receive limited life-saving treatment first. Should it save the younger patient with higher survival chances to the older patient who arrive earlier? AI and privacy. So AI used for surveillance may protect national security, but it can also violate individual right to privacy. An ethical dilemma in AI means no matter what the machines or human decide, some ethical principles will be compromised. So data privacy and data protection concern privacy in AI means privacy in AI means that the right of individual to control their personal information, while data protection refers to the safeguards preventing misuse, unauthorized access of surveillance of such data. Explanation: AI depend on the huge data set, financial, biometric, medical and behavior. So if this data is collected without consent, is stored insecurely, misuse, it leads to privacy violations. AI surveillance system like facial recognition can track people without their knowledge. This raises fears for surveillance society. Example: social media AI monitors use behavior and sell data of advisor without transparency. Government use facial recognition in public spaces without people consent. Healthcare AI store the sensitive genetic and patient data that can be hacked. Impact of AI employment and workforce. The impact of AI the employment refers to the way automation and intelligent system replace or change human jobs, creating new opportunities but also causing job loss and the economic disruptions. Explanation: AI excel at repetitive routine and analytical tasks, often doing them faster and cheaper than human, while AI create high skill jobs. Data scientists, AI engineers, this displaces the millions of low skill workers. This create a skill gap and where only educated works benefits leaving and other behind. That's a good bad impact of AI. Example: chatbots replacing the customer services agents in call centers, robots in manufacturing plants reducing the demand of manual labors, AI in finance replacing the human stock and analyst and traders, self-driving trucks and car treating the jobs of millionaires of drivers. Thank you, class.